Sheesh. So we feeling healthy today or what? Because, you know, I'm feeling pretty healthy. Woo. So I got myself a nice Chirashi here. That's what we're gonna make, alright? So, yeah, let's make it. Okay, guys? We'll be making a Chirashi bowl today. Nice and simple. Very, very delicious. You know, it's basically a mix of a few vegetables with a little bit of egg, choice of protein, which is I'm gonna be using crab meat, and then a little bit of shrimp. So I'm gonna be making, I guess, a shrimp crab Chirashi bowl. Okay. So you're gonna need a little bit of rice, sushi rice. I just made an egg and I kind of rolled it out to that, so that's whatever it being. You guys can take a look at my Tonburi video. I'll have the egg making process. I'm gonna cut the avocado into slices, and then I have about 2 ounces of edamame, 2 ounces of seaweed salad, just brain fart, and then a little bit of sunomono that I made, okay, from the other video, some crab meat. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to put that together real quick. So one of the best things about a Chirashi bowl, I guess, is the fact that it's pretty much a bowl of rice with a few toppings on top, you know. So it's very easy to eat, very delicious, and it's just something nice. All right, so something very fun to assemble. So I have a few things here that I just prepped out, so it's pretty much all ingredients, nothing else. I have a little bit of crab meat I mixed a little spicy mayo with. I'm gonna just dump that on the side. Okay, so we're just gonna pretty much put everything together. Okay, some edamame. I'm gonna put some on the side here too. Okay, so I'm making a giant Chirashi bowl, I guess, more or less. Okay, so for color assortment, I'm gonna kind of try and spread that out a little bit. Okay, spread it, give it like a little seaweed base on some sides. Okay, I'm gonna take my pickled cucumber. Put that on it too. So Chirashi bowl it's pretty much similar to a poke bowl. It makes for a very nice one, something very simple and quick to eat. Okay, so take my avocado. And so far I have everything around like that. And then as you can see, there's not much color variation, so I try to mix it up. But there's a lot of green in it, so that's for sure, you know, it's healthy, right? I'm gonna take my egg, I'm gonna just cut it into half like this. I'm gonna cut it into a diagonal, so you have like 2 little triangular shaped pieces. Shrimp and top it with that. Okay guys, so that's what you get pretty much. I have a little leftover empty rice showing, so I'm just gonna try and cover that. Yeah, but give or take, this is how you make a Chirashi bowl. It's my style of a Chirashi bowl. And it also looks like this, I guess, because of the bowl, so it's a little bit of a different bowl, but yeah. It's all this toppings on top, and you know, it's ready to be eaten, very good. I would recommend, you know, putting a little bit of ginger wasabi, and then probably a little bit of soy sauce. The best thing that would probably make it taste refreshing would be yuzu soy, which is a citrus soy. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please click down, give it a like, and subscribe. Thank you guys.